Hey everyone, this is James with Peakway Software, and this is Devlog number 7. This is going to be the first of our smaller devlog series where we plan to release at least one video every month. So today's update will focus mainly on art and visual updates instead of the programming updates and features. There are a few small programming updates, but Kevin is currently mainly focusing on bug fixes from packs, optimization, and starting to update the game to Unity 5.6. The focus of this last month was to make the natural environments feel more believable. Instead of using rocky terrain texture for cliffs and mountains, we now use 3D objects. Some are designed specifically for vertical cliffs, and others are made for more general use. Unfortunately, to get the best results, you will need to manually place these objects, but the results are definitely worth it. So we've come to the conclusion that we just aren't going to be able to have huge open world-esque levels, so we've done some work to make our current game world feel bigger without actually increasing its size. So there are now new distant mountain objects that you can place in levels, and the goal for these objects is to reasonably match the terrain and make it feel like you aren't always playing on a tiny island. We will most likely use these distant mountain objects in conjunction with loading screens to simulate larger land masses. Another cool level design addition is a new set of objects designed to look like islands off in the distance. The goal of these objects was to bring a sense of scale and immersion to the game world instead of always feeling like you're playing on a random landmass in an infinite void of nothingness. The major new game feature that we've added is a hint system for quests. Basically, a small text window will appear on the side of the screen with helpful information. You can press H to show and hide these hints, but they can also be triggered to pop up through the quest system itself. This was originally designed for tutorials, but we decided that pretty much all quests could use this as a hint system for players who are having a hard time progressing. Everything else that has changed was a direct result of the feedback we received from PAX East. We've added a gold icon to the inventory and moved gold to the top instead of the bottom. Basically, players were not finding their gold easily and would not realize the things that they were looting had gold in the first place. Also, inventory filters have been changed to a text drop-down instead of icons like before. This is because at the conference people were confusing the filter icons for objects in their inventory. So next up, we've made some changes to the map icons, and now they all have unique shapes, so it's easier to tell the difference between a quest marker, the player character, and other players. There are also some extra configurable options people requested, like mouse sensitivity, field of view, and inverted mouse look. So naturally, we've been fixing a bunch of the bugs that we discovered at PAX as well, but that's going to be it for this devlog, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.